Kalahari.
Join us this week for our first time visiting Kalahari in Round Rock, Texas.
It's This looks snazzy.
It looks nice. Been to a few Great Wolf Lodges now. Check out the Kalahari. It's been recommended by a few people on our channel. Ooh. Alright.
I know, it just looks cute. Oh, cool. Wow. Yeah. There's so many coins. There are. Oh my gosh, did you guys see this? It's no ordinary log. What? That's cool. Did you see this? Is a giraffe? I saw it was wooden, but I didn't realize all the animals were in there. Whoa. I didn't see this, but I saw the giraffe. Very cool. The wood in itself is already just cool. But wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Even the model's big. The glass part looks pretty lush. Fresh market. But wow, this is huge. There's like a mall in here. There's your mac shop. There's Weston's, the macaroni and cheese shop.
Yeah, it's like a little mall.
Yeah. Is this the Foolerys? There's an escape room in here? Whoa, this has got to be the Foolerys. Whoa, my gosh. Looks like a whole city of fun. It does look like a whole city of fun. So they got
Escape room.
stuff here. Wow. I knew there was a gift shop. It's cooler than you thought it was going to be, Cardi.
Yeah. There's so many medium plushies.
So many plushies.
Check out our room.
Yeah.
We're going to 9. Cheers to 25 years of adventure. 9th floor. Here we go.
9202.
9202. Oh, Weston's busted it open. Got the bracelet to open it himself. Ooh, oh,
How does it shape like that?
Nobody touch it. It's impressive. We'll have to use the bottom one. Bathroom.
It sounds like the other hotel.
A little bit is very nice. What do we got? We got a view of the elephants.
It's so cool. You're on top of them.
I don't know if you're supposed to.
Are people? Oh my gosh, they are on top of the elephants. I don't think you're supposed to do that. How did she get up there?
I have no idea.
This is cute though. So you got a couch, I think, pulls out. It's really cold. The air conditioning's working well in here. It feels nice and cool. It has a nice high ceiling. I did as well. It seems very clean and nice. Very clean and nice. I'm excited to see the water park.
Meet you guys. Escalator.
Wow. There is a lot of awesomeness in here.
Wait till you get wet. You can see the shadow of people going through that thing. Faster? Yeah! Watch out, Audrey. It's fun now. Please. 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 I can do this. Oh.
See how much it costs here? Need a home base, you scan it and do it.
like a lot of speed coming down and you like fly around the bowl really quick. So it's a lot of fun though. You get a good amount of speed coming down.
What do you think? Too scary for you, or you liked it?
No, it was fun.
It was just the height that it was so tall up there.
And you're like flipping around the bowl.
So like when you go down, it feels like you're just dropping.
Oh, big drop.
A little bit of trouble getting out on off the beachfront. Now we're moving.
Rough starting.
Yeah, it's really crowded at the entry, so getting going. Waves. Oh, the crazy lazy over here.
It's so slow.
Woo! We got some speed. I don't even know how that works. That's a twofer.
It's actually fun. Okay, please. We're ready. Yeah, go. Whoa. Wow. Cockroaches. Oh. Alligators. Now we gotta go speed. So I have to make this go speed.
Wrapping up the day, we spent some more time exploring Kalahari and then eating dinner at Max.
That's so fun. Do you love it? We got kids chicken nuggets, kids original mac and cheesy, milks. We got the hangover mac, I think. Another kids mac and chips. Let's go.
The next morning, we grabbed coffee from the downstairs lobby and then headed off for Round Rock Donuts.
Yesterday we were in our hotel room. You can see from up there. There's some people all the way up on the very top up there. The baby elephant.
Aww. That's so cool. Zebras.
You know how you like baby animals?
Me too.
The baby schwagons that don't attack me?
Yeah, they're so adorable, right?
Yeah, baby schwagons are
A little baby zebra.
Wanna go in? I got one clutch each and one giant donut.
Is this whole box just for the Texas donut?
I don't know.
I feel like it probably is the Texas donut in there. Yeah, let's see what you got.
Only Texas donut.
Oh, it is. This is the big mammy jammy. So we got this Texas donut again from Round Rock Donuts. We've gotten it once before, but it's really good. It's only $12.
What a deal.
It's a world
It's so
famous
good.
glazed donut.
And they're so friendly and nice over there.
It's like a yellow, really tasty.
Mm-hmm.
Give me some.
Here.
It's so good.
We also got the regular kolaches, pink sprinkles, an apple fritter we haven't tried, or the eclair, and like a little tiny cinnamon sugar one Carter wanted to try. You made it.
Oh, there it is.
Unwrapping. Oh,
I'm ready to eat it.
You ready? Oh, like $20 for all that. It's a good deal.
Wrapping up our trip, we had to stop for some plushies.
Plushies. These ones are a blowout sale, only $14.99. Cute. That's a big snake plush. Wow. Oh, Daddy. Oh, that's so cute.
Oh no, it's eating a
Oh, he's got the cutest plush. Did it beat your expectations of what you thought was going to be?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, huh?
It's like a mansion.
Kind of like a mansion. All right.
It's like a mansion. Equal house.
All right. How was it?
Take the phone out.
I did.
Let me see.
I'll show you. Hold on.